Okay, so these are the Beats Flex, Apple's cheapest wireless earphone offerings. And these came out last year in September, and in India they came in January of this year, which is 2021. This video is going to be the unboxing and first impressions of these, and later this week or earlier next month you'll be able to see my full review of these. And spoiler alert, that is going to be a great video, and these are incredible for the price, which is $50 in the US and 4,500 rupees in India. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so I bought these Beats Flex from an Apple authorized reseller. That's why they come in this packaging. Because for some reason Apple doesn't sell Beats on their website in India. This comes in a pretty generic looking packaging, but it does have that premium Apple texture to it. On the side we have the Beats Flex branding. On the bottom we see the serial number. On the back there are all the features of the headset. And on the other side we see the Made for Apple TV, iPhone and iPad tag, along with the Get on Google Play tag. And we also have this very Apple-like pull tab on the back. Taking off the pull tab and opening the box, we have a compound packaging with one layer having the instructions, a short charging cable and the ear tips. And in the second layer, we see the Beats Flex itself packaged neatly. Taking a look at the ear tips, we have 3 pairs in the box and another pair pre-installed. So that's good. Inside the same layer, we have the instructions, warranty and one Beats sticker. Coming to the earphones, let's take them out of the box and keep the rest back in. We also get this sticker placed on top of the cable of the earbuds, which is basically Apple branding. Turning them on, we also get the beloved pop-up animation with up battery percentage on the iPad. You can also rename these to your liking later on in the settings, like you can with AirPods. When I put the Beats on for the first time, I realized that the sound quality was mediocre, to put it mildly. But then I quickly realized that the box said, "A great sound starts with a proper fit." So I quickly opened the box and tried all of the tips. The double layer tip seems to work great for me. And yes, the sound quality was great after that. I wish they had the AirPods Pro-like feature which would tell you which tip is the best for you, but I think we can't complain for the price. And yeah, these actually sound better than AirPods in some ways. I might make a comparison video later on next month. Also, these don't have functionality, but a long press on the button will activate Siri. Here's an example. Set iMac lights to blue. There you go, it worked. And yes, that was a Beats Flex attempt, if you get what I mean. And while I'm wearing these, you will also notice that these actually clap in magnetically. It's because when they do, it will pause your music, which is a pretty cool feature because they can't really have the proximity sensors on these here. I am very impressed with the audio quality of these headphones, and if you can't really wait for the full review, here's a bit of a spoiler. These sound incredibly good, and if you're considering buying these, just go ahead and you will not be disappointed. I'll take a deep dive into all of the features and everything you need to know in the next video. And we also do get the beloved pop-up animation thanks to Apple's W1 chip. And since Apple recently removed the earphones from the iPhone 12 packaging, they are a great alternative to Apple's AirPods in case you don't want to spend that high price tag and still want that AirPods-like functionality and the convenience of using it with your iPhone. To be honest, I think Apple has done a great job with these. Now this was a short video, but I will have a longer one coming very soon, and you do not want to miss that one. So yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.